Let's begin by adding a cube. Select the cube and switch to modeler mode. Select the bottom polygon. Tap the Inset button. Expand the polygon outward. Next, tap the Extrude button. Tap the Inset button again. Finally, tap Extrude and move the polygon inward. Deselect all polygons and switch to Point Edit mode. Tap on Edge Crease and set the value to 0. Make minor adjustments as needed. Add a sphere object. Move it downward and reduce its scale. Now, add a tube object. Move it upward and scale it down. Rotate it 90 degrees along the x-axis. Reposition the tube and make slight adjustments. Apply a new material to the tube and sphere. Switch back to scene mode. Select the bell and assign a color to it. Rotate the bell and adjust the scene view. Preview the bell in turnaround mode. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.